Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make deep dish tamale pie, and I'll be using my June oven. This dish comes together pretty fast, but it does take a little while to bake. Now I made a lot of tamale pie because this was supposed to last us for 2 days. So if you don't need this much, then go ahead and have the recipe that will be down below in the description box. First, let's preheat the oven. Preheat June oven to 350 degrees. So I have preheated an oven-safe pan, and now I am spraying in some olive oil and I'm adding in some lean ground beef. Next, you'll want to season your ground beef with some taco seasoning. Next, I'm adding in some poblano pepper and some diced onion. Now it's time to add in some garlic. Once your ground beef is brown, go ahead and add in some diced green chilies along with some RoTel and red enchilada sauce. Now let's add in some frozen corn. Once all of the ingredients have been stirred together, go ahead and top that with some shredded cheese. Set that to the side, and now let's work on the cornbread topping. I've got some Jiffy, some cream corn, some more diced green chilies, some milk, and eggs. Give that a nice little stir, and once that has come together, go ahead and add in some cheese. Extra cheese? Yes, please. Now carefully pour your cornbread topping over your meat mixture. Here, I'm reducing the oven temperature to 325 degrees and set it to cook for 50 minutes. Mine actually took about 70 to 75 minutes to cook because it was so thick. So just make sure you check your cornbread to make sure it's cooked all the way through the center. And here's what your tamale pie looks like when it's all done cooking. Now it's just time to serve it up. So, did you like this recipe? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, as it does help out my channel and I greatly appreciate it. And if you're here and you still haven't subscribed, I don't know why, but go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know the next time that I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!